Welcome. If you're looking to take control of your Facebook experience and manage who interacts with your page, today's guide is exactly what you need. In this video, I'll show you how to add a user to your blocked list on your Facebook page using the app on your PC, following the latest update. Whether you want to stop unwanted messages, prevent someone from seeing your posts, or just need a little peace of mind, blocking is a quick and effective solution. Let's get started. First, open the Facebook app on your computer. Make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're in, look to the very top right corner of your screen. You'll see your profile photo. Click on it. This will bring up a menu with several options. Next, head down and select Settings and Privacy. From here, click on Settings. A new page will load with all your account management options. Now, in the menu on the left side, find and select the section called Blocking. Once you're there, click on Edit next to the Blocking option to access your blocked list controls. You'll see the option to add users to blocked list. Click that. In the search bar that appears, type in the name of the user you want to block. As you type, Facebook will suggest matching profiles. When you see the correct person, click on their name. Now it's time to block them. Click on the block button next to their profile. Facebook will ask you to confirm your choice. Double-check that you've selected the right user, then hit Confirm. That's it. The user has now been added to your blocked list. They won't be able to interact with your page, see your posts, or contact you through Facebook. Blocking someone is always reversible, so if you change your mind later, you can remove them from your blocked list using the same settings. Thanks for watching.